What's up, everybody? We all know that sleep is great for growing and repairing, but did you know that energy is required to sleep? Now, you could take sleep supplements or sleep medications that will help you fall asleep, but it doesn't solve the underlying problem, which is the fact that you just don't have enough energy to move your body into a place where it can grow and repair. Okay, so what are the things that drain our energy? Obviously, being in a sympathetic state throughout the day, high stress levels, even things like caffeine or alcohol at the end of the day. Your body is working hard to detox the system, and you just don't have enough energy to sleep and grow and repair. Some of the things that we can do to boost our energy levels are things like exercise, drinking enough water, eating the right foods, but also being aware of our stress levels, moving your body into a parasympathetic state more often throughout the day will help you keep a lot of your energy that you can use it at nighttime when you sleep. So give that a try and see if it helps.